And we are live. Yes. Good evening, good afternoon, in fact. Good afternoon, Vanakkam, Sat Sri Akal, Kem Cho. Happy Dashera to one and all for people who are celebrating Dashera today and for people who are celebrating tomorrow. In advance, happy Dashera. A great match to kickstart. A superb match to kickstart you with. The Kaveri Derby. आज it is red and yellow. नहीं, आज it's green and yellow. RCB today are wearing the green jersey. आज उनका अर्थ डे माना जाता है. एक मैच तो वो हमेशा ग्रीन पहनते ही हैं. No, this is not a symbol कि I have changed teams. नहीं. चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स who are at the bottom of the table. सब लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि हाँ ये तो आउट है यार. They are with the wooden spoon. Let us ये it's not a vital match anymore. Yes, the build-up has been toned down क्योंकि चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स आर ऑल बट आउट. मैथमेटिकली भी एक मिरेकल हो सकता है. इफ कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स लूज देयर रिमेनिंग 3 गेम्स, किंग्स 11 पंजाब लूज देयर रिमेनिंग 3 गेम्स, तब कुछ हो सकता है. नहीं तो चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स जो इतने साल या तो गोल्डन चम्मच से, सोने के चम्मच से या सिल्वर के चम्मच से आदत हो गई है फॉर ट्रॉफीज, इस बार वुडन स्पून मिलेगा उन्हें. Joining me in the special broadcast today is Shubhayan Chakrabarti. Welcome, Shubhayan, to the broadcast. You feel deflated, right? Ki this match, normally a parallel universe mein, it would have been, my goodness, battle for the 4th or 3rd spot, battle for playoff spot, battle for so many other things. Tapas Datta has already said RCB. Yes, हावी हो गए हैं CSK fans के ऊपर. This time with such a deflated build-up, you also feel deflated, na yaar. Two marquee teams, two epic clashes. Lekin that occasion isn't there, isn't it?
It is. It almost giving me feel like that MI versus CSK clash. No build up, absolutely zero hype surrounding it, and it's very disappointing as a not as a journalist but as a fan also. You are getting such a bad build up to this game. Although CSK can do a bit of damage if they win today, right?
Exactly.
So you can never count them out.
Tapas Datta is adding further salt to injury by CSK. Yes, sir. We have been totally outplayed. CSK has been absolutely outplayed. Nazak Mir is saying CSK. Well, already fans are divided. They're still divided along RCB and CSK lines because that is the brilliance of this rivalry. 1 minute to go for the toss. Do you see any changes in the RCB team today, Shubhayan, considering that they are still yet to seal the playoff spot?
I don't think they will take. Yes, I don't. Moeen Ali might come in. Yes, Moeen Ali might come in, but I don't see too many changes in that RCB 11. They will keep that core compact and go for that ultimate win and crucial 2 points.
Yes, folks, you have to remember one thing. Chennai Super Kings have never ever lost 2 games in a row to RCB in one edition. But भैया ये तो season of firsts है for Chennai Super Kings. पहली बार they'll probably be in the wooden spoon. पहली बार in 12 years that they suffered a 10-wicket drubbing in the previous match against Mumbai Indians. We saw how deflated they looked in that match. Today, it could be another first for Chennai Super Kings, losing twice to their Kaveri neighbors. So देखते हैं क्या होता है. Toss time अभी किसी भी minute हो सकता है, folks. What do you think the team winning the toss should do?
I think they should bat first, given that it's an afternoon game. Bat first, get a good total, set the tempo up, and then chase it down, then defend it.
Yes, because apparently, according to the pitch report, they are saying that this is a used pitch. So that is why spinners will come into play. It will get slower and lower as the game proceeds. So every analyst is saying that it is a used pitch. You should bat first. Oh boy, I think today one fan's fanaticism is really making it heavy. RCB, I don't know, I mean 15 to 30, 40 times. Raju Prasad Kewat is asking, nice, he's saying nice. Thank you so much, Raju. Well, the toss and Shubhayan, they heard you. They heard you.
Yeah.
Breaking news, folks. RCB have won the toss and opted to bat. Great move because it will be very difficult to chase in an afternoon game with a slow deck and with the quality of Yajwendra Chahal. I mean, Shubhayan, we have seen RCB in previous IPLs. Do you think that the bowling attack of RCB this time makes them the X factor to win the title?
the way they have bowled, not only the names, the big names, the way they have executed their plans have been top notch. Top notch, absolutely. The way the last match also against KKR, we saw how Virat Kohli used Mohammad Siraj with the new ball, and they are reading the conditions so perfectly. And I think they have brought in the likes of Chris Morris, who has been absolutely lethal with the old ball, new ball, wherever you bowl him. And the likes of Washington Sundar is coming in his own element. Shivam Dube with the ball is doing good. And we can't question a lot on Yuzvendra Chahal's performance this season.
Absolutely. I mean, if I have to stress on Shubayan's point, Chris Morris has been absolutely sensational. I mean, Paisa Vasool 10 crores, don't you think, Shubayan? Paisa Vasool.
Absolutely, absolutely. A lot of hype was there around Isuru Udana. He bowled decently, but the entire spotlight was taken away by Chris Morris. The way he has led the entire bowling lineup is commendable. Is commendable.
Mansoor Sheikh saying ABD, ABD. Of course, there, if you have a genius like ABD in any team, that team will win because he's not only Mr. 360, the way how he calculates, the way how he prepares and the assault, and on any pitch, he can be lethal. That is what makes. And today, remember, ABD will be absolutely gunning after CSK because in the previous game he was out for 0. Today, he might just go bonkers. So let me look at the team changes. Oh, yes, there is one change, and you're right. We were just talking about Moeen Ali, Shubayan. Moeen Ali is in the team today, but who has he replaced? Isuru Udana. So now you have two spinners, you have Chahal and Moeen Ali. So the batting has become even more deeper. The bowling has also gotten depth because now there is variety in the form of Moeen Ali, Washington Sundar, Yajuvendra Chahal, Chris Morris, and Navdeep Saini. 5 top-notch bowlers, don't you think, Juan?
Absolutely, absolutely. That is why RCB is looking side to beat this season, right? The way they have the batting order, we look at the names. Devdutt Padikkal has done phenomenally well. Aaron Finch, Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers. It is now Moeen Ali also. So it is, and the bowling attack, as we spoke earlier, it is great. A great side, a compact side, very good.
Exactly. If we have to just look at fan reactions, Shubhan, that is coming in through our comment stream, you would have already thought that RCB has won the title. RCB has immediately, because everybody, Sunil Meena has 3 times emphasized RCB, RCB, RCB. I mean, that is the level of confidence that they have. And not since 2016, when they topped the league, that they are looking even more powerful. Don't you think so? And if I have to look at Chennai Super Kings, oh yes, there are 2 changes in the Chennai Super Kings, folks. Breaking news, RCB have 1 change. Moeen Ali replaces Isuru Udana. And now we have 2 changes in the Chennai Super Kings. Josh Hazelwood is out. Mitchell Santner is in. And Monu Kumar is in, finally. From Jharkhand, Monu Kumar. Shuman, can you tell us a bit about Monu Kumar, the guy from Jharkhand, from MS Dhoni's backyard? I mean, how is he as a batsman? How is he as a player?
I think he's a bowler, right? I don't know much about him. I haven't seen him play a lot because in the domestic also, Monu Kumar never plays so many games, even for Jharkhand, and it would be interesting first look for him in the grand stage of IPL. There have been lots of talks around him, his presence in the CSK camp, what he brings. It would be interesting.
Monu Kumar, yes, he's replaced. I guess a bit harsh. He's replaced Shardul Thakur. But I thought
he's a pacer. Monu Kumar is a pacer.
The pacer, yes. But don't you think it was a bit harsh? I thought Shardul Thakur bowled decently in all the games that he's played in, especially in the death. But again, maybe Chennai Super Kings want to give every member in that squad a chance. There was talk of possibly KM Asif coming in today, but apparently Asif will have to wait for 1 or 2 more games because after this, Chennai Super Kings probably take on Kolkata Knight Riders in their next game, which is so, folks. Mathematically, as I told you before the start of the toss, that Chennai Super Kings, if they win all their 3 games by a minimum margin of 60 to 70 runs and hope that the likes of KKR and Kings 11 Punjab and Sunrisers Hyderabad don't win their remaining games, because one team will get to 12 points. One of these 3 will get to 12, and already KKR has got it. So if they win all 3, and if the other teams lose their remaining 3, only and only then Chennai Super Kings will go through. आज इक्वेशन सिंपल है, आरसीबी विन, they are sealing their spot and they are also knocking out Chennai Super Kings. So triple whammy for Virat Kohli. इतने सालों का hurt against Chennai Super Kings. Don't you think, Shubhan? इतने सालों का hurt today suits समेत I'm giving it back to you.
And what an occasion! Master facing his apprentice, and the apprentice knocking out his master. So very interesting scenario today. But I think Chennai Super Kings might give us an upset here.
Yes, today Chennai Super Kings का एक मीम मुझे याद आया that अब तो मुझे मरने का भी डर नहीं है. There is one guy, I don't know from which film or which net series is that from, but today I think Chennai Super Kings will have to show that they are that old CSK, that they can do it, that they still have that old spark, because the season is well and truly done for them. They look deflated in that game against Mumbai Indians, and if Kolkata Knight Riders win one more game, end of the road for them, even mathematically. So let's just hope that they can spoil the hopes of other teams. Exactly. But if I have to look at spoiling other teams' playoff chances, UAE mein robbery is a crime. It's a very punishable offense. But yesterday in Dubai, there was nighttime robbery. मतलब daylight robbery तो बोलते ही हैं. Yesterday there was nighttime robbery. A team chasing 127, where 57 for no loss, 7 overs में. They conspire to lose 7 wickets for 14 runs, and they conveniently choked, the height of which one batsman needing three balls, 12 runs, he blocks out one ball to avoid a hat-trick. I am talking about Kings 11 Punjab versus Sunrisers Hyderabad. Kings 11 Punjab ने दिन दहाड़े या रात दहाड़े लूट मची थी. A game which they should have कायदे से lost, they won against Sunrisers Hyderabad. I mean, Arshdeep Singh, what a bowler he's turning out to be in the death overs. And Chris Jordan, redemption for Chris Jordan, finally, after all the brickbats he got against Delhi Capitals. Shubhan, you've spoken to Arshdeep, you have had an interaction with him. I mean, is this a coming of age for Arshdeep in IPL 2020?
He said a sentence to me during that interview that it feels like I am in this big league now. So you feel that confidence that Anil Kumble and other coaching staff are giving to these young kids. Ravi Bishnoi has been phenomenal in this IPL, and the young kids are coming. We haven't seen a lot of Ishan Purel in this tournament, and I can say that he's another blooming fast bowler who will play India very soon. So the entire group is gelling so well now, and their batting lineup, the bowling lineup, Chris Jordan, as you said, is coming in his element. So it is good to see someone giving a real fight to KKR for the top 4 race.
Absolutely. That was, again, it showed Kings 11 Punjab's resilience. It showed that they are determined to make the 4th spot theirs, or even potentially a 3rd spot. Who knows, if Delhi Capitals lose their remaining games, who knows? Nurul Asif Manna is saying RCB has best batting and best bowling this year. Yes, Nurul, we definitely agree with you. They have a superb batting and bowling. Nazak Mir, who will win toss? यार जवाब तो दो कोई. Nazak, यही फायदा, यही disadvantage होती है कि आप late join करते हो broadcast में. Nazak, RCB have won the toss and they have chosen to bat. RCB ने टॉस जीतकर बल्लेबाजी का फैसला किया है. इसुरु उडाना इज आउट, मोइन अली है इस टीम में. And for Chennai Super Kings, Jharkhand ke Monu Kumar has replaced Shardul Thakur and Mitchell Santner has replaced Josh Hazelwood. So Shubhayan, before we wrap up, on momentum, do you see RCB sealing their spot and Mumbai Indians sealing their spot in the games tomorrow? And do you see Kings 11 Punjab doing the unthinkable and knocking Kolkata Knight Riders off their pedestal? Because they will face, these two teams will face each other in one crucial game.
For RCB, I'll go with my gut feeling this time. I won't go by form and everything, because by that rule, RCB are clear favorites to win this match. But my gut feeling says CSK might pull out an upset today. In the other match, I'll say Mumbai Indians have a edge. As one of our viewers said, RCB is looking the best side, both batting and bowling wise. I would like to disagree slightly here and say Mumbai Indians, when you look at those players, those names, those depths, I think Mumbai Indians are clearly the strongest side in this IPL, and this
Well,
has been a case for a couple of seasons now.
indeed, we just hope that Rohit Sharma is fit today, because the injury that Rohit Sharma sustained was a hamstring injury. They are closely monitoring it. They may not want to rush Rohit Sharma back in because the Australia tour is coming up shortly, and Rohit Sharma will be a vital player in that side for all the three formats. Anyway, Kieron Pollard has not done a bad job. 15 consecutive wins as captain. I mean, that itself indicates that okay, Rohit can take a back seat and hand over the Mumbai Indians captaincy to Kieron Pollard. So that match will be very important. But today, Shubhayan saying Chennai Super Kings. I am saying since Chennai Super Kings are deflated, I'll go with RCB. They will want to seal their spot and ensure that they become the first team and knock Chennai Super Kings out. Sadistic pleasure milta hai na yaar. Kaveri rivals. At
Yes.
the other end of the spectrum, we have Chennai Super Kings has always hurt RCB in their playoff race. This time, RCB will want to do it, Sooth Samet, and say, thank you for visiting us. That is all we have for this broadcast, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Join us at 7 o'clock for the outcome of this match and for the live of the second match. I am Siddharth Vishwanathan, and along with Shubhayan Chakrabarti, I will see you all at 7 p.m. for the conclusion of this match and for the second big game. Today, we may see two teams sealing their spot in the playoffs. Thank you, and join us at 7.